Good morning all of you. In last video we will discuss about Harvard step test for cardiovascular endurance, and today we discuss Rockport 1 mile test for cardiovascular endurance.
Rockport 1 mile test for cardiovascular endurance. The Rockport 1 mile test was developed at the Department of Exercise Science at the University of Massachusetts Amherst. The aim is to measure the VO2 max of an individual, that are the maximum volume of oxygen one can utilize during an activity or an intense exercise. Next, equipment and material required. We need a stopwatch, 400-meter track, and weighing scale for this test. Procedure of test. The procedure for conducting Rockport 1 mile test is as follows. Number 1. Step first. Before starting the test, measure the weight of the individual undergoing the test. Number 2. Step 2. The individual has to cover a distance of 1 mile in the minimum time during the test. So mark the starting point on the track. Next, number 3. Step 3. With the help of a stopwatch, to record the time taken by the individual to cover a distance of 1 mile, walk or run. Next, number 4. Step 4. Immediately after completing the run, heart rate is measured. It can be done with the help of monitor or ECG. Next, calculating the VO2 max. Using the below mentioned formula, we can determine the calculation of VO2. VO2 equal to 132.853 minus 0.0769 into body weight minus 0.3877 into age plus 6.315 into gender minus 3.2649 into walking time minus 0.1565 into heart rate, where body weight is measured in pounds and age is in years, gender male equal to 1, female equal to 0. Walking time is in minutes. For example, 10 minutes and 30 seconds are written as 10.5 minutes, and heart rate is measured in beats per minute. It is observed that with proper training and guidance, an individual can improve the VO2 max capacity. To track improvement, we can compare the result of two Rockport 1 mile tests taken after certain gap. Advantage of test. First advantage, less equipments are required. Second number, more than one individual can take this at the same time. Next, number 3, it is simple to conduct. Number 4, it is easy to conduct that an individual can easily do it himself or herself. Computation of fitness index. The fitness index of an athlete is measured by the help of following mentioned formulas. Fitness index score short term equal to 100 into test duration in seconds upon 5.5 into pulse count between 1 and 1.5 minutes. Next, fitness index score long term 100 into test duration in seconds upon 2 into sum of heartbeats in recovery period. Mainly the fitness index score is measured by the short term formula, and it is compared by the following mentioned table. First, rating, fitness index for males, fitness index for females. First, excellent for males, greater than 90, for female greater than 86. Good for males 80 to 90, for female 76 to 85.9. Average for male 65 to 79.9, for females 61 to 75.9. Next, below average for males 55 to 64.9, for females 50 to 60.9. This Rockport 1 mile test is used for measuring the cardiovascular fitness of athlete. Thank you and have a nice day.